In this video, we're going to integrate Zoho Desk and Zoho Projects, Zoho Desk and Zoho Books, and we're going to review the Sales IQ integration. Let's start with Zoho Projects. So click on Zoho Projects and on Integrate. Make sure the portal is correct and click on Authorize. Here we're going to select Issues. And below we can see the field mapping. Before saving this, let's make sure to select what projects we want to sync. In my case, I'm going to select all projects. And now click on Save. That's it, the integration has been configured. Let's click on Tickets and open a ticket. If we click on these three dots, we can see that we have two more options: create a task and file an issue. Let's create a task. We're going to select the project, change the subject a bit, and click on Submit. A task related to this ticket has been created. It is in the Activities section. If we click on the task, we can see this new Project tab. Here you can find a related task in Projects. Keep in mind that the tasks have been created in Desk and Projects, but they are independent tasks. If you close the task in one app, it won't close the task in the other app, but both tasks are related. Let's open the Zoho Projects task. On the right, we have this icon. It shows information about the ticket. You can also see the task status in Zoho Desk. Let's close this window. This one is the task, and as you can see, there is a Zoho Desk icon indicating that the task is related to Zoho Desk. All right, we're going to close this. And now we're going to file an issue. So click on the three dots and File Issue. Keep in mind that the issue can be also called a bug. In Zoho Projects, you can track issues besides tasks. Issues are normally problems reported by users. To open the issue, click on the name. And on the right, we can see the Zoho Desk logo that shows information about the ticket. And if we close this, we can see the list of issues. Now, this app is called Zoho Bug Tracker, but it is linked to Zoho Projects. And as you can see, they look the same. You can also see bugs from Zoho Projects. All right, let's close this. And now we're going to integrate Zoho Desk with Zoho Books. So back to the settings, click on Zoho, and now on Zoho Books. Let's integrate it. And that's it. The apps are working together. Let's go back to the Tickets module and open the ticket. We have the Zoho Books tab where we can see information from books. This is the Invoices tab, which is empty, so let's create a new invoice. This invoice is going to be related to this ticket. As you can see, the item subject is displaying the ticket name. Let's add a rate. And we're going to scroll down and save it. Again, this invoice is related to this ticket, but you can see other invoices as well. And we can perform other actions like edit the invoice, email it, and also mark it as sent. For some reason, it says that I don't have permissions to do this, but if you open the invoice again, it is marked as sent. All right, back to the settings. And now let's open the Zoho Inventory integration. We are not going to cover this app on the course, but I wanted to mention it anyways because the integration works really well with Desk. If clients buy products from you and you use inventory to track and ship them, you should explore this integration. The last integration we're going to go over is Sales IQ. You can access the settings from the Chat tab. The chat widget is already enabled in the Help Center, but to configure it, click on Advanced Settings. This new window is Sales IQ. Let's close this. And here we can configure some settings about the chat, but we will cover this in the Sales IQ chapter. On this video, I want to show you some other settings related to Desk. So let's click on Settings. And on the Visitor Routing. Here you can create rules that will route the visitors to the support department if the visitor is in the Help Center, for example. Also, on chat routing, you can do something similar, but this applies only to chats. Let's go back. And now click on Integrations. And click on Zoho Desk. Here we can configure many aspects of the integration. For example, under Desk Configurations, we can select what chats should be converted as tickets. And on department mapping, we can configure our departments if we have them set up in Zoho Desk and Sales IQ. All right, so far we have configured and integrated the top 5 most common Zoho apps. Next, we're going to work on Sales IQ. See you there.